It was a red gachapon, I swear. Doing okay there, Dazzle?
Never better.
I think I'm getting used to this. Glad you were able to come out this year.
Shouldn't we be heading back?
Better make the trip back worth it yet. Whoa, look ahead, guys. Whoa. You know what they say? The biggest houses have the best candy. Ooh. Wait, this isn't a candy house. It's a library house. Wait, what's this record player doing here? Huh?
Hello, visitors. By the time you're reading this, it's already too late. My beloved Pebble left me alone this night. You can't simply leave me alone here.
Ah! The door's gone! What?
Hope you don't mind staying here for my games. The process won't be long. Let them take you.
What's going on here?
Good, we have to go.
Whoa, what's that creature?
I don't know. Come on, let's go up to the stairs. Come on, come on.
Yeah, I can't open it.
Oh no, the spikes are following us. What do we do? I don't know. Come on. Huh? Oh, my leg hurts. Good.
How did we get into such a mess? Heck, I didn't even try to say razzle and dazzle. This is all my fault again, isn't it?
Goob. I'm here for you. Let's try to escape while we're alive, alright? If we die, at least we were together.
Aha!
Scraps!
Watch out.
My leg! My freaking leg!